Once the MXN33 device is connected to the included laptop, open the software and log in as an administrator using the provided username and password. Select Connect to connect the MXN33 device. The settings panel of HD-tES, located on the left side, is used for modifying stimulation settings. Under the Basic Mode tab, you can set intensity, waveform, duration, delay, waveform polarity, sham, ramp up duration, ramp down duration, and ramp occurrence. After selecting all the desired stimulation settings, select the channels to use from the drop-down menu. You can select different settings for different channels. The selected channels will be shown in the middle along with their settings and a color box to indicate resistance. Green indicates good contact quality, yellow indicates moderate contact quality, and red indicates poor contact quality. The net intensity will be shown at the bottom left corner, along with the individual intensities. To save the procedure, go to File, Save Procedure As, and enter the name and description. HD-tES automatically populates the details field. In a double-blinded operation, make sure not to include specific details about the stimulation, since the operator will be able to see the name and description. To create a new procedure, click File, New Procedure. Modify stimulation settings as shown before. When creating a stimulation that is not TDCS, such as TACS, you can change frequency for individual channels. Note that consecutive odd-even channels cannot have different frequencies. You can also create a new procedure using Arbitrary submode. Begin by clicking the Arbitrary tab and entering the values for duration, delay, ramp up, and sham settings. Load the channel from the drop-down menu and select the text file with the desired sample values. You can change the frequency here as well. In admin mode, you can also load an existing procedure by clicking File, Load Procedure, and choosing the relevant one. You can also edit the name and description of each procedure. In a single blinded operation, you can start a stimulation in the admin mode. Select your procedure and click Load to load it to the MXN33 device, and then click Start. In a double-blinded operation, once the protocols have been programmed, log out using File Logout. Log in using the operator username and password. If not already connected, click Connect to establish connection with the MXN33 device. Select one of the existing procedures from the left. In the center of the HD-tES interface, you can see all the channels, and the color of the circle beside the channel number indicates the contact quality. Note that the exact resistance value of the selected channels to be used is not displayed. The unused channels indicate a value of 0. When ready, click Load to load the procedure to the MXN33 device. Then click Start to begin stimulation. Using the administrator profile, you can manage users and passwords. Log in and click Account, Edit Users. You can reset the password and remove or add a user. Once finished, you can log out or exit by clicking File, Log Out or Exit.